Do you all like having corn on the cob? Like, frankly speaking, it's nice to have that roasted corn, especially when it's nice and cold. You would love to have roasted corn, or even most of them like it boiled. But the worst part is having it from the cob, meaning messing up your teeth. Everything gets stuck on your teeth on the side edges, and then you have to fidget by using the floss and cleaning everything. So today I'm going to show you simple trick of how you can remove the corn from the cob without actually having a lot of effort. No, I am not going to cut it through, because in that way what happens is half of the corn gets stuck on the cob itself. I'm going to share with you a simple hack of how you can remove the full corn itself from the cob. But before I proceed, let me remind those who have not subscribed as yet to my channel, do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so that you'll get updates each and every time I post a new video. This is boiled corn, and as you can see, I'm taking the knife vertically on that line where you can see the corn starting from, and just pushing it sideways in this way. So this process you will continue throughout the whole cob. Now let me tell you, the longer the knife the better it is, because smaller knife will just remove it in small parts. And here we have come to the end, and the last bit you can just pull it off with your fingers. Mind your hand while using the knife. So friends, wasn't that an easy hack? Do let me know in the comment section. So basically what you can do is you can use this on corn which you have boiled also, and on corn which you have not yet started cooking. And having corn in this way will save you from the trouble of using floss after having the corn. That's all on today's episode. For those of y'all who have any suggestions or requests, do feel free to send me an email, or y'all can even get in touch with me on my social media sites. I'll see you next time on another new episode of How Hacks.